are you doing?
Oh, I'm gonna go grab something at the store.
What about your seatbelt?
It's just around the block.
Contrary to popular belief, the distance you are driving bears no connection to the distance you will go flying if you don't wear your seatbelt. As shown here, a one-block trip at 50 kilometers an hour and a crosstown trip at the same speed both yield the same amount of deadly force. A seatbelt reduces this to around 2 tons. Plus, your chances of being thrown from your vehicle are greatly increased when you don't wear your seatbelt, increasing your risk of injury or even death. So buckle up. Your life might depend on it.